daar is hij.
Hi there, welcome back. My name is Mark and welcome to the vlog. Today we are going to our first event this year, and that's a good thing because this is almost over. The season is almost over and I'm going to my first event. That sucks, really sucks. Well, it started off not so good because I'm stuck in the city of The Hague in the center getting a buddy of mine, but someone parked here, I think last night, probably drunk, his car. It's like, come on guys, I can't go there. What are you thinking? So we're just here sitting waiting until he arrives, and then we're gonna go to the Concours de Elegance, or this year they call it Wheels at the Palace 2023. Lovely event about the past and the current, the future, the history, the current and the future of cars and wheels, and probably some bikes. You should do some period dressing, but I decided just to wear the 308 gear and we'll see what will happen. I'm very excited, hope you are. Well, yeah, what can I say? Let's just hop in the car. No, wait until we can drive and then we go to the palace. Oh guys, 1 hour in, just relaxing with my pal Marco, and we're just watching some cars roll by. We're very early, some scooters. That's the car life, guys. Drive a little bit, rest, watch, enjoy, hop in the car again and continue forwards. That's a little bit of a boring spawn set, this. Yeah. So guys, we are at the parking at the Wheels at the Palace. Yes, and look at this, what we found, a little barchetta. It's a nice little car. Look, it's enjoyable. Very, small, I don't know, vintage almost. And look at the side sticker, it's cool thing. I like it. And there's lots of other toys here. Just walking around while we're talking. Look at that, a 911. There's plenty more to see. But you know what? We're gonna hop in a classic bus. Hey, dankjewel. Fijne dag. Nou. Cheers.
Daar is hij. Geweldig. Inhoud en dan ook uit 1923 van Kees Schillis. Die neemt aan dat hij met zijn eigen naam heeft. Jullie hebben nooit. Kwam die met iets slagschip. Hooggelakt. Grote schaal. Hele bijzondere aandrijving. Keurig gedaan, heren.
It's hot. It's getting hot. Wow, you just saw some pre-war runs. Absolutely amazing. One of my dreams is to build such a car, or own building like would be awesome. Like, how cool is it to do a hill climb with such a car, with the noise, no safety measurements, who cares, just drive it, send it. Oh, I love it. I love that sound. I hate these current electric way we are going. Sorry guys, I always try to be, how do you call that, open, but nah, if you see this, you don't want electric. Next up we're gonna do some, how do you call that, slow viewing. Yeah, that's it. Guys, tell me, what is slow viewing? I don't know, I don't care. You know what happens? Every time people walk by, I get ashamed of what I'm doing. I can't help it. It's just like you're standing here with a camera, everybody's laughing at you. That's what I feel. And I probably am very stupid that I'm doing this, but yeah, guys, so sorry about that. What I meant, we're gonna just view the cars up close and we're gonna take some nice pictures and films for you guys.
short time, Rosie, you know what, after the show, you have to walk back home. Long time, I remember. Excuse me? Long time.
Sorry, sir.
Oh.
Kiss me once and kiss me twice, then kiss me once again. It's been a long, long time. Haven't felt like this, my dear, since can't remember when. It's been a long, long